Hello friends, today we are going to start 10th standard prose Let's March English workshop. Question number 1. Name the following. The person to whom Kailash Satyarthi give the highest credit of his honor. Answer is Kalu Kumar, Dhumdas, Adarshi Kishore, Iqbal Masi. B. The greatest personalities from the land of Buddha. Answer is Guru Nanak and Mahatma Gandhi. C. The daughters of Kailash Satyarthi mentioned in his speech. Answer is Malala, Kainat, Two Kainats, Shajia. D. The foreign activist of equal rights mentioned in the speech. Answer Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King. Question number 2. Mention the social issues highlighted by Kailash Satyarthi in his speech. One social issue is given for you. A. Child labor. B. Free and compulsory education to all children. C. Mortality and malnutrition. D. Slavery. E. Trafficking. F. Child marriages. G. Sexual abuse. H. Illiteracy. Question number 3. Complete the following diagram or chart. The aim in life of Kailash Satyarthi is that every child is free to grow and develop, to eat, sleep and see daylight, to laugh and cry, to play and learn, to go to school, and above all, to dream. Question number 4. Complete the following chart. An appeal of Kailash Satyarthi. Let us march from exploitation to education. Let us march from poverty to share prosperity. Let us march from slavery to liberty. Let us march from violence to peace. Let us march from ignorance to awakening. Let us march from darkness to light. Let us march from mortality to divinity. Question number 5. Find out the describing words used for the following nouns and make your own sentences by using any 3 combinations. A. Supreme sacrifice. B. Beautiful faces. C. Extremist militia. D. Biggest challenge. E. Rapid globalization. F. Intergovernmental agencies. Question number 6. Choose the correct option and write in front of the given word. A. Dignity, मोठेपणा. Options are A. Goodness, चांगुलपणा. B. Godliness, धार्मिकता. C. God fearing, धार्मिक. Answer is B. Godliness, धार्मिक. B. Extremist म्हणजे अतिरेकी. Options are number 1 militant अतिरेकी, number 2 robber दरोडेखोर, number 3 spy गुप्तचर, and answer is number 1 militant. Extremist म्हणजेच militant. C. culminate कळस. Options are number 1 destroy नष्ट करणे, number 2 succeed यशस्वी होणे, number 3 rise to a peak शिखरावर पोहोचणे, and answer is number 3 rise to a peak. culminate म्हणजे rise to a peak. Question number 7. A. What will you do in the following situation? A. If you see a child working in a restaurant. Answer. I will try to talk to the restaurant owner about the issue and make him aware of the Indian Constitution, which forbids forced labor is a crime. B. If you find a child working on a construction site. Answer. I will try to talk to the owner of the construction and the contractor and try to know why the child is doing so. I would help the child? See, if you find a child working on a brickwork site, answer, I will talk with his parents and I will try to help the child in his education. I will try to solve his educational problems. D. If you come across a beggar child, answer, I will discuss with him why he is doing that job and I will try to solve his problem. Question number 8. Today, it's time for every child to have a right to, answer, right to education, right to a life, right to freedom, right to health, right to safety, right to dignity, right to equality, right to peace. You can see the answer on page number 111 in 4th para. Question number 9. Make a list of Indian Nobel laureates. Laureates म्हणजे विजेते. A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Sir C.V. Raman, C. Amartya Sen, and etc. Question number 10. Make a list of prestigious award in India. Civilian Award, भारतीय नागरी पुरस्कार. A. भारत रत्न, B. पद्म अवॉर्ड, C. शौर्य चक्र, D. नारी शक्ति honor, E. कीर्ती चक्र. Then highest gallantry awards, शौर्य पुरस्कार. A. पद्मवीर चक्र, B. महावीर चक्र, C. वीर चक्र, D. अशोक चक्र, E. कीर्ती चक्र. Question number 11. Make a meaningful sentences by using the following phrases. Phrases are A. In the pursuit of, च्या शोधात, चा पाठलाग करणे. She spent her life in pursuit of the truth. B. To be afraid of, ची भीती वाटणे. I am afraid of dogs. C. To give up, सोडून देणे. We must give up our bad habits. Question number 12. Write minimum 5 hidden words of more than 4 letters from intergovernmental. मित्रांनो, परीक्षेमध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मध्ये अशा प्रकारचा प्रश्न 2 मार्कासाठी विचारला जात असतो. नंबर 1 इंटर, नंबर 2 गव्हर्नमेंट, नंबर 3 गव्हर्न, नंबर 4 मेंटल, नंबर 5 intergovern. So friends, here we have completed the English workshop of this lesson. We will see language study in next video. मित्रांनो, आपणास हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा. अशाच पद्धतीचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी माझ्या S.R'S इंग्लिश क्लास चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा व पुढील नवनवीन व्हिडिओ आपल्यापर्यंत सहज मिळवा. थँक्यू.